In this video, I'm going to talk about a new CPA marketing method where you can make money like $100 per day, $200 per day or more every single day worldwide, guys. So this is a new website and new method where you can use to make money online. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. Before that, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like, and if you really like this video, click the like button on the bottom of the video, guys. For this video, I'm using CPA Grip. This is a new CPA marketing website. Actually, it's not new. For me, it's new. I create a new account with it. I'm gonna try it out and let you know how much money I make from this site, guys. So this is a one specialty of this website is called content locker, guys. So for example, if you go to this one called monetization tools here, there's a thing called file locker. Basically, you can share a file, people gonna download that file. Before that, they had to complete 3 to 2 surveys. So if they sign up for those surveys, you get paid because they take action. CPA mean cost per action. So they put the email address, you get paid for that. Then it automatically take to the URLs where they can download the free PDF document that you are promoting. So in a way, so what happen is you don't have to do anything. This website is doing everything for you. I'm going to walk you through step by step method, guys. First, what you have to do, you have to create a free account with it. It's simply free. If they ask for website and address, you can put a random website and random address. It doesn't matter. But again, you can put this website work worldwide, so you can put your own address, and if you have a website, you can put it one, guys. Now after you did that, what you have to do, this is your dashboard gonna look like, and you're gonna click this one called URLs file lockers, where you can share the file and you're gonna get paid for that. So you have to do this one, create new URL file lockers, and you need to read and this term and condition. Basically, you can't just give away real cash money prices, something like that. And when you promise that they're gonna download that free ebook, that means you have to add free content, otherwise they will block you, guys. So what you have to do, click this one, go agree term and condition, and click continue. Now this is the filling part, but I'm gonna walk you through how you can fill this section, guys. First, what you have to do, go to Google Trend and find any topic that you are interested in. It doesn't matter whatever topic is, because when it comes to CPA Grip, it is whatever the content that you are promoting is not relevant to the offers, guys. So either way, if for example Max Bounty or CPA League, you find offers, you create a content similar to the offers, you promote it. But here is an opposite way. So it doesn't matter, the offers and the product that you are promoting or the content that you are promoting is completely different, guys. So what you have to do, go to Google Trend and find a topic that you're interested in, or find a topic that you are trending. So for example, I'm going with healthy habits. So these keywords worldwide have always trend. It's going up and down, but it stays in the middle. So that means people are searching it every single month. So what I did is I went to IDPLR and find a book on healthy habits. That you can see there straight away. There's a new book released on 2021 April about healthy habits. Again, if you want to sign up, you can sign. There's a link in my description. Click that. You can sign up. You can download up to, I think it's a 200 ebooks for free, guys. So you can do that. There's a link in the description. Go and check it out and sign up. You can download this ebook for free. So what I did is I downloaded this ebook for free and put it on my computer that you can see here. This is the ebook. I already downloaded on my computer. Now what I did is, this is my ebook. You can see this is the PDF. If I open that, this is the ebook. Now I had to upload this ebook into Google Drive. That you can see I already uploaded, and click this one called anyone with a link. So anyone with this link, they can share it. So I get the shareable link. Now what you have to do is you have to go back to CPA Grip. Here you have to go back to here, and you need to fill this information. For example, complete the survey below to you can say to download free, you can make it bigger, free ebook on healthy habits, right? You're gonna put like this one. Now this you can see complete the survey below and download these free ebooks. That you can see now number of offers here. You can go with 4 or 5, but I'm going to stay with 3. So because if there's too many offers, people don't complete these offers, they will cancel it. So go with 2 to 3 offers in the beginning stage. After that, what you have to do, go to Google Drive and copy this link, come back to CPA Creep, and you can see these locked URLs. You can put it on here, guys. After you did that, you can click this one, go create. Now this is the link. So what you have to do is you have to click this one, go get link, and this is the link that you're going to share it in a platforms way that you're going to drive traffic to that offers, guys. For example, if you copy this one here and you can paste it on here, and you can see people complete, because I'm using my computer, that's why it doesn't show any offers. But when the people complete offers, they can download it. Now I'm going to show you a way where you can promote it without getting blocked, guys. There's 2 ways, so watch this video until the end. And again, if you really like this video, click the like button on the bottom of the video, guys. What you have to do now is go to Google and type healthy habits, and you're going to find a blog post and articles on your keyword. So you can see there's a bunch of articles out there. I open one of these articles and copy it and put it in my Grammarly or Word document and to make a top 7 list of articles on healthy habits. Now I can't copy and paste it and promote it because it is already written content within someone blog, guys. So what I did is I went to SpinWriter. It will automatically rewrite that articles into completely different articles. You can see these are the blue keywords. You're going to change it into different words, and they're going to change it into completely new articles. Again, guys, there's a link in the description where you can sign up for SpinWriter. SpinWriter is not free, but once you pay for yearly, you can use it for unlimitedly. But my recommendation, if you can use any boat to convert your article into completely different articles, but SpinWriter is more unique, and they generate more unique versions and more appropriate versions than any free software, guys. Again, if you can't afford it, you can use the free version, but if you want to try it out, you can still sign up for SpinWriter. There's a link in the description. Go and check it out, guys. Now what I did is, this is the articles generated unique for me. They completely changed. You can see 95% is unique. Now what I did is I just copied it and put it on, you can see this, medium.com, guys. Medium.com is a website where you can write an article for free, where you can promote your affiliate link without any problem. You can promote your own website or your own YouTube channels, or if you don't have any of them, you can promote your affiliate offers or CPA offers without getting blocked, guys. Now what you can see here, I just copy and paste this article. On here I put get your free ebook on healthy diet. Then I go back to CPA Creep. This is the link as I just copied again, right? I just copy that. Go to Medium. I'm gonna highlight it. I'm gonna click this one called link button here, and I'm gonna paste it on here. That's it, guys. This is the link is placed on here. If you want to make it more noticeable, what you can do, you can highlight the part healthy or diet on these articles, where you can insert the link. So for example, if I want healthy, I just highlight it, and I can put it on the title, but you can put it somewhere and like this one, okay? You can say hit your workouts or something like that. You can highlight the part and you can insert your link on here, or you can just put this one, repeat this one again, hit your free ebook on healthy diet. What you can do is copy this, go back to the middle of your articles like that, guys. After what you do, you publish your articles. You can put the pictures and you can put the tags, and I can skip this part for now, but you can put the you can see this article is published, but if you want, you can put pictures, tags, so the video will start to promote your articles for lots of other people. Now you can see this article is done. Now all you can do is you can promote it in another website, guys. What you have to do is just copy these URLs. This is your URLs, right? I'm going to make sure this article is alive. You can see this is an article, it's alive on Medium. Now you can see this is the URLs, right? This offer, if they click it, it will take to this page. They complete the offers, they can download this ebook. Because they complete 3 offers, depend on that, we get paid for that, guys. Now the second website is basically simple. You can promote it on Pinterest. You can see this is the picture I get it for my ebook. When I download it, I put my cover, I just put free ebook, I put the title. Now what you go in the destination URLs, I'm not going to put this CPA grade URLs because Pinterest will block it. Instead, what you're going to do is you're going to put your Medium article link on here. So you have to get this link here, copy this link, go to Pinterest, and you're going to put it on here and publish it. Now people or click this pin, it will automatically take them to this post. They read it. If they want the ebook, they clicked it, it will take to the offers. They complete the offers and you get paid for that, guys. If you go back to Pinterest, that you can see your pin is published without any issue. So basic idea of this, you're gonna sign up with CPA Grip. After you sign up, you're gonna go to any IDPLR website to find an ebook. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna create articles on that ebook. A simple 100-200 word articles enough. After you did that, what you have to do, upload the ebook on Google Drive, then get the share up link, come back to CPA Creep and go to this one called File Locus, where you're gonna upload that link and you're gonna make an offers, and you're gonna get this link where you can drive traffic back to CPA offers, right? So you're gonna get this link and to publish your articles on Medium or any website that you are eligible to publish articles. Inside that, you're gonna link your a CPA Creep link, and people, whenever they read it and they click the link, they sign up, you get paid. Also, you can promote it on Pinterest, Facebook, or Twitter. You can drive traffic back to your Medium post. From that, you can drive traffic back to your CPA Grip offers, and they sign up, you get paid for that, guys. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, leave me a like, and if you want me to make a detailed video, let me know that in the comment section. I will do that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.